Are you curious about the health wonders of celery juice? This crunchy green veggie is making waves in the health world, and for a good reason. Packed with nutrients and potential benefits, from soothing your tummy to calming your nerves, celery juice might just be the wellness boost you've been looking for. Let us look at the top 7 health benefits of celery juice. At number 1. Helps reduce high blood pressure. Celery contains compounds known as PHT halides, which might help to reduce blood pressure by relaxing the tissues of the artery walls. At number 2. Helps with hydration. Celery juice is high in water and electrolytes, making it good for hydration. At number 3. Improves skin health. The vitamins and minerals in celery juice are thought to improve skin health, potentially reducing acne and other skin conditions. At number 4. Helps reduce weight. Some people consume celery juice to aid in weight loss due to its low calorie count and potential to promote satiety and reduce cravings, though this is more about its role in a calorie-controlled diet rather than any specific fat-burning properties. At number 5. Helps prevent cancer. Antioxidants like flavonoids and apigenin in celery have been claimed to have anti-cancer properties. At number 6. Improves liver health. Some proponents believe that celery juice can enhance liver function and cleanse toxins from the body. While celery does have detoxifying properties due to its antioxidant content, the liver is incredibly efficient at detoxifying without special diets or juices. And finally, at number 7. Improves immunity. The vitamins and minerals in celery juice, like vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, are essential for various bodily functions, including maintaining a healthy immune system. Celery juice can help balance the body's pH and make it more alkaline, which is thought to improve overall health and stave off diseases. Remember, incorporating celery juice into your routine could be a step toward a healthier lifestyle, but it's not the only step. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and consulting with healthcare professionals are key to achieving and maintaining good health. So, why not give it a try? You might find that this simple green juice is the refreshing kick your body and mind have been craving. Let celery juice be a part of your journey to a happier, healthier you. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.